Hi, I'm Rob Davidson with Wheels on Edge. This is the 2-minute review, and we're looking at the 2013 Volkswagen Passat. This model actually came out in about 2012. It's essentially the same car as last year with a few minor stylistic and design variations. I remember when the Passat first came out. It's actually been around since the 70s, but I remember it in the 1990 when it came out in Canada. It came out with that sedan, a larger sedan than the smaller car, which had no grille. I mean, you may remember this was just plain straight fascia down the front, and it was one of the ugliest cars on the road. On top of that, I remember it seemed to give up. The engine seemed to blow up at about 100,000 kilometers. Well, this car, this Passat, the only thing it has in relation to that 1990 car is the name. Everything else is different. It is, of course, massively bigger. The inside is enormous. I can't get over the back end. This is an enormous back end with lots of legroom, lots of headroom. They've done a fantastic job of engineering the inside so that you seem like you've almost like you're driving in a limo in the back seat. It's very comfortable seats. You can get it in different iterations, starting from a base price of about $24,000. For this one, which is the high line, you're going to pay about $35,000. Also, I have to tell you, this car has a lot of competition out there in the marketplace. Go on your computer, take a look. The Toyotas and the Hondas, the new Accord, the new Camry, they are priced within pennies of this car because Volkswagen has brought its price down by thousands of dollars. How were they able to do that? Well, one of the ways they did it is it's now made in the United States of America. It's no longer made in Mexico and it's not made in Germany. It is made in Chattanooga. And so now, if you want to get a mid-sized car and you want to buy something that's made in North America, you can pick a Volkswagen product. This actually is only seen in North America. You won't find this car in Europe. You won't find it anywhere else except in North America, built for and expressly to fit our North American-sized butts. And it does it very well.